In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can record audio inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. So first thing you need to check is when you go to Edit and you go to Preferences, there you can check your audio hardware. And in this window, you have to make sure that your default input has been set to the microphone or the input device you're using. So when that's all okay, you can then choose to record on top of your current clip, and you choose which line you want to record on, and then you click this voiceover record button, and then you start, you wait for 3 seconds, and now you can start talking, and you can see on the right side here that it's recording for you. Also, the icon has been turned red, and then you click again to stop the recording, and as you can see now, you have recorded inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, just like that. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.